here in Qasim region, in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and the biggest project of poultry and eggs production in the Middle East. This project is one of the biggest 20 poultry projects in the world. It is Al Wataniya Giant Poultry Project. The project which has totally pioneered all the similar ones since 1977. Now, employs about 8,000 working individuals. Amongst them 750 most efficient and most experienced Saudi women employees, investing in about 3 billion Saudi riyal. The production lines of Al Wataniya Poultry Project depend upon the best and most modern world technologies in the field of poultry industry, whose main goal is to keep the quality of products and the health of the poultry itself. Al Wataniya Poultry is one of the biggest integrated projects all over the world, whose end product varies from whole chickens to chicken pieces and fresh table eggs. Production stages starts with delivering layers grandparents chicks from international indigenization companies, raising and looking after them in Al Wataniya Poultry Farm in Juf region north of the kingdom. In special environmental conditions, completely isolated and under health control for producing layers fertilized eggs which is of high quality and free from any kind of disease. Then eggs are transported in equipped trucks to hatchery to produce layers chicks. These are also transported in equipped trucks to the farms in Qasim, where they are specially raised, then transported to the production farm, with production capacity of 2.5 million hens annually to yield 375 million eggs every year. Farms of layers are situated in a completely isolated areas that can be healthily controlled. A strict biologically secured system is applied to all the farm workers, so as to keep layers healthy and prevent the outspread of diseases in farms. This leads to producing high-quality hatching eggs that conform to world specifications. The hatching eggs is collected daily and transported in equipped trucks to the hatcheries in an appropriate temperature and moisture degrees. They are then entered to the hatcheries according to the production plan to produce one-day-old chicks with the highest quality conforming to world specifications. Broiler chicks are delivered from hatcheries in 1-year-old, raised and cared for under suitable environmental and health conditions till they reach the targeted marketing weight. The production capacity is more than 260 million chickens a year. These are sent to butcheries daily. There are 3 butcheries used to slaughter more than 850,000 hens daily. The butcheries work 24 hours a day on 3 shifts by Saudi young men and women. Slaughtering is done manually and according to the Muslim Islamic statute. In the department of meat makers, suitable additives are added to chicken meat according to the product type. The meat is packaged according to the local and international specifications. About of 62 sort of fresh chicken meat is produced daily, that is 50 tons every day. Al Wataniya poultry farms produce more than 1.5 million eggs daily. At the production time, eggs are sorted, rated and automatically filled in specific boxes, according to the Saudi and international standards. Due to the importance of foodstuff industry and its effective role in the end cost of the product, which constitutes about 65% of the poultry industry, the company decided to establish a foodstuff production factory which produces different types of foodstuff, according to the stages and ages of the hens and according to the required specifications, by using advanced systems, and a newly equipped quality control lab. The end product is delivered from slaughterhouses to be stored in healthy conditions including suitable temperatures till it is distributed to markets. The company is distinguished by its dependence on generating and transporting energy automatically through the company's power stations, which run with high competence. It consists of 10 power stations distributed to the project with a power of 97 megawatts. This is related to the sector of the technical services and the sector of engineering, projects and heavy equipment affairs. The National Poultry Company paid more interest to controlling the remains resulting from the production operations accumulating daily. So it set up many and different projects such as processing remains resulting from slaughtering and preparation operations, water treatment project, fertilizer treatment project, and waste disposal project. The company possesses a squadron of trucks consisting of 1,000 trucks equipped with the latest refrigeration machines to keep the products safe and healthy during transporting them to all over the kingdom and the Gulf countries. The company received many blazons and award certificates in appreciation for its support to the national food security. The company's leadership, represented in its chairman of board of directors Sheikh Sulaiman bin Abdul Aziz Al Raji, founder of Al Watania Poultry, the model example to be followed by all the staff in committing to the company's values at all times. In some other ways, these values are transferred into a style of work and life. Training participates in carrying out work values, linking it to the company vision, which is to be the favorite choice of the Middle East customer. In order to achieve this, the company prepares qualified staff who are able to carry out this vision as per forethought studies and plans. Today, the National Poultry Company stands with all pride and uniqueness as a distinguished mark to national economy, an important symbol of the government's care for the private sector, which led to its success in sharing in achieving food security to the kingdom's citizens.